Hello garden lovers, today is November 15 and last week we had a beautiful snowstorm. If you're just a little bit confused, I upload videos twice a week and it's all the videos that I've been recording from spring to up until now, I guess. And yeah, so if you're confused, everything you've been seeing, it's been summertime, but now it's present time and there is snow. They're calling for another 15 centimeters of snow tonight, and I had not protected my David Austin roses, which I will show you in a moment. So as you see here, my David Austin roses have been snowed on and they need to be protected. I am in my zone is 5A, but these roses need to be protected. They probably would not survive the winter. So I'm just going to clean this out today and protect these canes with some burlap. I got some burlap, and I have also a styrofoam dome that I want to put there also to protect the crown, and I'll also be adding in some leaves that I saved up before we got this mess here. Hey Jace. Hi JC. Say hello to everyone. This is Jace in the snow. You're such a sweetie. So I'm just gonna get rid of this here. I saved some of these leaves here so that I can, protect the base here. I have no idea how much I'm supposed to add, but I definitely want to add more than not enough. And this will also help other little critters that want to go hide there. Hopefully I won't get any critters that enjoy eating my roses. The next step is putting this on. As you see, I already have some of the canes that I'm leaving there, so I'm going to kind of cut along the sides here. I know you'd figure that, well, you're opening up and you're gonna have air coming in. Well, I don't know how else to do it. I'm supposed to keep my canes, right? If I don't keep the canes, I'm not gonna really have a climbing rose, would I? Would I be more supposed to Oh guys, I'm ruining it, aren't I? Are you guys watching me and saying, oh my God, this girl has no idea what she's doing? Probably. Let me know in the comments. Let me know how ridiculous this is. Or let me know how smart it is. Wow, burlap smells so strong. Is that normal? So I'm just going to try to stuff some leaves in there. This is not exactly how I wanted to get the things done. Not at all. I didn't want to do this with the snow. Okay, so the lady at the nursery told me that I will need to be protecting my butterfly bush also. So I'm just going to remove some of the snow. And instead of using leaves, she mentioned, oh no, you gotta be careful. Well, the snow actually broke it. It's broken because the snow's too heavy. That's probably why you gotta protect it. Oh, poor thing. But anyhow, So yeah, she said to use peat moss instead. And she also mentioned to actually cut them down a bit before, but I've seen people do it without cutting them down first and just prune them only in the spring. So I think I'd prefer pruning them only in the spring. As you'll see in future videos, I met with a friendly butterfly, and I named him or her Pee-wee. And Pee-wee stayed with me for weeks. It was a peacock, one of those peacock butterflies, European peacock. Oh, all right, so she mentioned to put at least this thick. So that's what I did. I'm confused because they say that you're supposed to let it breathe, like what I did with the other roses. And the reason why I'm confused is because from one place to another, I'm seeing different ways of doing things. So I guess the best way to do it is to try it. I may lose a little, a few plants here and there, but I guess it's a part of the journey. But all my videos were recorded all summer, and I just want to bring sunshine all winter to you guys, so you'll see all of my mistakes and my learnings, I guess, all winter long. So I'll be bringing you blooms all winter long, and you can hang out with me in the garden. I am creating a huge garden, so if you haven't seen them yet, go check out my first video. There was nothing here, and what you're seeing now is you're not really seeing the garden, right? So as time goes, you see more and more of what's been developing. So, yeah. All right, so I have this hydrangea here. I don't remember the name right now, but I'll check it and put it on the. I'm trying to think of putting it up on the screen here. What's this doing there? Oh, guys, I'm so disappointed in the fact that it snowed and stuff wasn't ready, and we're working, and it's like I got my job to do, during the week I work many hours, and there's just like in the summer there's just more light, right? So at night when I'm done working and I get to the garden, it's dark outside and it's cold. So yeah, and I'm tired from the day's work. So what I'm going to do is, this one already has a little bit of mulch, but I'm going to add just a little more help. I checked online to see if it's okay, but I'm going to put some more peat moss right at the base here. Check this out. I still have flowers in the snow. I still have some flowers. It didn't die. It's still alive. I just need to clean it up, and these did. Isn't that cool? So my at last roses were hit hard. Oh, I'm going to need my other gloves, I think. I'm gonna dig this up, get my gloves, and cover these up also. Oh, surprise, guys. I had already put a whole bunch of leaves. I forgot about that. I was raking last week, and I just threw all the leaves on top of this bed here. Still want to give it a little extra, just in case, and put that dome on top. You know what I learned today? Not to wear a sweater, when you're doing roses. The thorns keep catching in it. All right, so I added a rock on top to keep it from tumbling off, flying away. So, yes, this was a lot of work. Doesn't look like much, but it was a lot of work. This was supposed to be pruned before the snowfall, but as we know, the snow came early, so I'm gonna try to prune it back. Yeah, I've had this for, maybe 10 years now. I usually prune it back in the fall, and in the spring it just gives me some beautiful, beautiful growth. So I'm gonna just get this going and we'll fast forward this. Actually, these are a better tool. So that's it for today, guys. If ever you're interested in seeing how all of this began, the start of the summer, spring, check out the video linked right here and see how the journey started. Till then, I'll see you in a warmer video in the next video. Take care. Keep gardening.